Michelle Gaiman, Terminal Block Product Manager for WAGO Corporation. I would like to illustrate the benefit of using WAGO's new shield clamp with latch and spring to eliminate unwanted electrical noise within industrial applications. The electrical noise resulting from drives, switch mode power supplies, lighting, or electrostatic discharge could interfere with digital, analog, and communication equipment and processes. Let's take a look at how WAGO's shield clamp eliminates the noise. Notice the amount of noise shown on the display that is generated from the power supply. After the shield clamp is released, you will see that the noise has been eliminated. For more information, please visit www.wago.us/shield.